Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to verify your Afterpay account. First, open the Afterpay app and tap My Afterpay at the bottom right. Scroll down and tap Profile Details under Account Settings. On the profile page, check your verification status. If you're already verified, you'll see a verified symbol. If not, you'll be prompted to submit your ID like a driver's license, passport, or Medicare card. Afterpay may ask you to take a photo of your ID and a selfie to confirm your identity. Once submitted, your account should be verified shortly. And that's it. That's how to verify your Afterpay account. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.